changing the subject. Now, to change the subject, we need to isolate the required pronumeral. Let's look at some examples. Firstly, if v equals u plus at, make a the subject. So let's write down the equation again. Now, if we're told to make a the subject, that means we need to get that a by itself. We need to isolate it. So at the moment on the right hand side we have u plus at. So we'll get rid of that u firstly. We bring it over at the moment plus u, it's positive u. So when it comes over it becomes minus u. So on the left hand side there we have v minus u. And we have at on the right hand side. So it equals at. Now we're almost there. There's our a. We need to isolate the a. To get rid of the t, it's multiplying with the t. So to get rid of that t, we divide by t. Must do it to both sides. So then on the right hand side those t's will cancel each other out. So excellent. We now have got a by itself, so we can write that a equals, and then it equals v minus u all over t. Okay, so we've made a the subject in that case. Second example, we're asked to make y the subject, given that x equals a plus y all over 2y. Let's write down the equation again. Now anytime we have a fraction, we need to get rid of that denominator by multiplying everything by that. So we're going to multiply that side by 2y and then the other side by 2y. Don't forget to multiply both sides. Now on the right hand side those 2y's will cancel each other out. So we now have got the equation without any fractions. We'll simplify that. We'll just write that as 2yx equals a plus y. Now we have to make y the subject. And we can see we have a y term there, but we also have another y term on the other side. What we need to do is bring them all together. So that plus y, we're going to bring that over. And because it's plus y on the right, when we change the side, we change the sign. It becomes a minus y. So on the left hand side we have 2yx minus y. On the right hand side it equals to a. Now we can factorize. We're going to see that y is common to both terms. So we're going to take the y out. Y, and then when we factorize that, we inside the brackets we get 2x minus 1. Right? If you haven't done factorization for a while, you might need to have a bit of a think how we did that. Now it equals a there on the right hand side. So, to get the y by itself, at the moment, it's being multiplied by that whole bracket, the 2x minus 1. So to get rid of that, we'll divide by 2x minus 1. We must make sure we do it to both sides. So on the left-hand side, those 2x minus 1's cancel. So great, we've got the y by itself now, so therefore, y equals, and on the right-hand side, we have a over 2x minus 1. Excellent. Well, that concludes our lesson. Good luck with your questions.